Theta value equivalent to $1.0206 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $0.9950, $1.0291. The earlier day close: $1.0069. The change was plus 0.0137, plus 1.36%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta estimate for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.88. Exorbitant cost 1.09, while low cost 0.88. The normal for the month 97 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.02, change for April 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.02. Exorbitant cost 1.22, while low cost 1.02. The normal for the month $1.10. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.14, change for May 11.8%. Theta figure for June 2024. Before all else cost at $1.14. Excessive cost 1.28, while low cost 1.12. The normal for the month $1.19. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.20, change for June 5.3%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.20. Exorbitant cost 1.34, while low cost 1.16. The normal for the month $1.24. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.25, change for July 4.2%. Theta gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at $1.25. Exorbitant cost 1.43, while low cost 1.25. The normal for the month $1.32. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.34, change for August 7.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $1.34. Excessive cost 1.48, while low cost 1.28. The normal for the month $1.37. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.38, change for September 3.0%. Theta gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at $1.38. Exorbitant cost 1.53, while low cost 1.33. The normal for the month $1.42. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.43, change for October 3.6%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at $1.43. Exorbitant cost 1.55, while low cost 1.35. The normal for the month $1.45. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.45, change for November 1.4%. Theta estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.45. Exorbitant cost 1.58, while low cost 1.38. The normal for the month $1.47. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.48, change for December 2.1%. Theta cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at $1.48. Exorbitant cost 1.73, while low cost 1.48. The normal for the month $1.58. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.62, change for January 9.5%. Theta figure for February 2025. Initially cost at $1.62. Excessive cost 2.01, while low cost 1.62. The normal for the month $1.78. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.88, change for February 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2025. At the outset cost at $1.88. Excessive cost 2.10, while low cost 1.82. The normal for the month $1.94. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.96, change for spring 4.3%. Theta conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at $1.96. Excessive cost 2.18, while low cost 1.90. The normal for the month $2.02. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.04, change for April 4.1%. Theta cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at $2.04. Exorbitant cost 2.36, while low cost 2.04. The normal for the month $2.16. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $2.21, change for May 8.3%. Theta estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $2.21. Exorbitant cost $2.21, while low cost $1.91. The normal for the month $2.10. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.05, change for June 7.2%. Theta cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at $2.05. Exorbitant cost $2.05, while low cost $1.65. The normal for the month $1.88. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.77, change for July 13.7%. Theta estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $1.77. Exorbitant cost $2.12, while low cost $1.77. The normal for the month $1.91. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.98, change for August 11.9%. Theta cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at $1.98. Exorbitant cost $1.98, while low cost $1.65. The normal for the month $1.85. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.77, change for September 10.6%. Theta figure for October 2025. Initially cost at $1.77. Excessive cost $1.77, while low cost $1.39. The normal for the month $1.61. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.49, change for October 15.8%. Theta cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at $1.49. Excessive cost $1.49, while low cost $1.16. The normal for the month $1.35. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.25, change for November 16.1%. Theta gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at $1.25. Exorbitant cost $1.55, while low cost $1.25. The normal for the month $1.38. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.45, change for December 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at $1.45. Excessive cost $1.80, while low cost $1.45. The normal for the month $1.60. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.68, change for January 15.9%. Theta gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at $1.68. Exorbitant cost $1.68.